So hey, welcome back to Doc's Boost. Today what we're going to do is put a couple of oil separator canisters on the GT500. These are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a 13mm socket, one ratchet handle, and one Phillips screwdriver. And that's it. What the oil separators do is make sure that no oil gets into the supercharger when it's drawing all that air into the intake. So the benefit of the oil separator cans is that it's going to keep all the sludge out of my supercharger, restore some power, and save the life of my supercharger in the long run, especially driving it as hard as I do. So let's see what's inside the box. Or should I say boxes. All right, that's gonna fit perfectly. Look at that, you got a great JLT performance sticker and the canister. Let's check out the JLT oil separator for the left side, the driver's side. Yeah, that's gonna be really cool. And the passenger side, looking the same thing, another JLT performance sticker, as well as a bracket in that package so you can have support from the engine block. This is gonna be a great install. So now let's take a look under the hood and see what we gotta do to take the old stuff off and put the new stuff on. That doesn't look like it's going to be a bad job after all. All I got to do is pull the clips off, take the left side off, pull that up, take the right side clips off and pull that up. Little twist, takes them right out of there. And then pop them back in place, add a little bracket for the driver's side. So it's going to look great and it's going to perform great. So let's get started. Yeah! See the clip right there? All I got to do is move that clip and pull up and it's off. Same kind of setup on this side, but the clip is kind of behind the view. Be right back here. Clip back there, push it away from me slightly and it's off. That's about as hard as that gets. The new JLT high performance canister felt on the bottom to support it on the valve cover without scratching the valve cover, and it's just a matter of push it on and push it on and we're done. Now the JLT oil separator is installed on the passenger side and that was pretty darn easy, and American Muscles supplied me with the JLT oil separator. I got another one for the driver's side. I'll bet it's not going to be any harder than this. Clip right here. And let's take it off. Wow, that was hard. Then we got the same clip right over here. Let's give that a twist. And that's off. Now this installation is going to be a little trickier because not only do we have the JLT canister, we also have a bracket to hang it from, so we have to have a bolt to go into the block, and those two screws are going to screw the canister to the bracket. So same as before, just going to snap it on, and the JLT canister is going to hang from there. We got the bracket to support it, and it's got a bolt into that hole right there. Can you see that hole right there? Now that we got that done, now we just need to screw the bracket to the canister. So that's looking pretty good. Driver side, passenger side, easy installation. And who's the happy camper with at least one thumb? This guy. The other thumb's holding the camera. But this job's done. So let's close it up. What'd you say? Don't mind him. He don't know what's going on. So that's it. We're done. The only thing left to do now is, well, I like to say the only thing left to do now is the burnout, but I don't think we added much horsepower for that. We're just saving the supercharger. So hey, if you haven't subscribed to Doc's Boost, go ahead and take care of that right now. And click like and subscribe, share. Make sure you leave some comments down below. And tell us about some of the things that you've done to your cars. And if you've had an oil canister change or something about oil separators, go ahead and let us know what that was all about. And get out there and have some fun, but stay safe and always buckle up. Hey, and thanks for watching.
Go to our website.
Oh yeah. Website. Hey, and the website docsboost.com is now live, so go ahead and visit. I'll supply a link down below, so make sure you visit, and you'll be able to shop for mods soon as well, so be looking for that. Later.
Later?
Later.